Hello guys, subscribe my channel for getting more videos. Thank you. Hello friends. In this video I am talking about the structure of the pituitary glands and the hormones which are secreted from the pituitary glands. Let's see. The structure, it is the structure of the pituitary gland. Upper part, hypothalamus. This is the anterior lobe of pituitary. This is the intermediate lobe of pituitary. And this is the posterior lobe. These are the structures of the pituitary and the different regions of the pituitary. This is anterior lobe, this is intermediate lobe, and this is the posterior lobe. In the anterior lobe of pituitary is also called adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis. And the posterior lobe is also called neurohypophysis. Called neurohypophysis. The anterior lobe is also differentiated into many parts according to the staining property. First is chromophilic cell and chromophobic cell. Okay? Chromophilic cell and chromophobic cell. Now let's talk about the anterior lobe of pituitary or adenohypophysis. The largest part of the adenohypophysis is pars distalis. Pars distalis. From this region, the anterior pituitary hormones are secreted. These are, first one is somatotroph. Second one is the mammotroph. Third one is gonadotroph. Fourth one is thyrotroph. And fifth one is corticotroph. This somatotrophs is also known as the alpha cell. Mammotroph is beta cell. Gonadotroph is gamma cell. These are also called actually cell types. Somatotroph, that means alpha cell type, beta cell type, gamma cell type, thyrotroph, delta, and corticotroph is epsilon cell types. From somatotroph, the hormones which is secreted, it is mainly we have to know also one thing. The somatotroph and mammotroph are basophilic in nature. Very, very important. Basophilic. This is the chromophilic cell actually. And the chromophilic has two parts also. One is acidophilic and second one is basophilic. So this is the This is acidophilic. First one and second one is the acidophilic, and rest are the gonadotroph, thyrotroph, corticotroph. These are the basophilic. Now, what are the hormones which are secreted from that kind of cell types? From somatotroph, STH or somatotrophic hormone is secreted. From mammotroph, prolactin. From gonadotroph, two kinds of hormones are secreted. One is follicle stimulating hormone, another is luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone is also called, LH is also called ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Then thyrotroph, from thyrotroph, thyroid stimulating hormone secreted. And from corticotroph, ACTH, that means adrenocorticotrophic hormone is secreted. The intermediate lobe of pituitary is also important because it secretes the melanocyte stimulating hormone, MSH. Full form is melanocyte stimulating hormone. Okay. And from neurohypophysis, two kinds of hormones are secreted. One is oxytocin and second one is ADH or vasopressin. So that's all about the structure of the pituitary gland, and I want to say one thing, that pituitary gland is also known as the master gland of the body because it regulates the all kind of endocrine glands in our body. So the pituitary gland is called the master gland of the body. Although it is called the master gland of the body, endocrine gland, master endocrine gland, but it is also regulated by the hypothalamus. Okay, so hypothalamus and pituitary are placed nearby. One thing I also want to say that the intermediate lobe of pituitary secretes the melanocyte stimulating hormone, but it is rudimentary in human being. Okay, so that's all about the structure of the pituitary gland. Thank you very much.